Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your Ladyzion Mother's Creativities. Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be making yam porridge with all the ingredients that is here. Before we go into the video, I just want to say thank you all for always coming back to watch my video. I do really appreciate you. Thank you so much. And if you are new, you are just seeing this video on your first time, please do me a huge favor and subscribe. It's free of charge. It does not take anything, just for you to hit that button, subscribe, and the notification bell in case anytime I put on a new video, you will be the first to notify. So we are going to this video. Then I would just like to introduce all the ingredients that is available here to you guys. I have my yam. I added a little bit of potato because I want it to be thick, so this potato will make it thicker. So I have my shrimps here. Shrimps, I love shrimps so much. As many of you is following me on my channel, you will know I love shrimps. So I have my oil. I'm going to be cooking it with palm oil. I have my onions. This is onions. I have my porridge and garlic. Both of them are here. I have my green beans, fresh green beans, which I have sliced because I don't want us to take time in this video. So I have my yellow pepper. My salt is here as well. My Maggi cube or seasoning, and my crayfish, and my pepper. These are all the ingredients that is available for this yam porridge. So now I'm going to be placing my pot on gas. The gas is on already. The pot is dried as well, so it's going to be a quick video that will not take much of your time. I will be putting my oil. We are going to allow it to hot just little. Putting my onions inside the oil. I just want to cook the ingredients before adding the yam. That's why I just put the oil first. Like our mother's time, you don't need to put the oil first. Just pack the yam inside the pot, put water and cook. That is how we cook. I do cook that way sometimes, but this one I just want to show you guys, and if you try this you will love it and your best way of cooking yam porridge. So this is my porridge and my garlic, and this is my yellow pepper and green beans. I hope you can see it, guys. I just want this video to be a quick video, and I'm going to be adding my we are going to be adding our seasoning cube, our crayfish, our dry pepper. The pepper is not going to be much because I think Serenity will be eating from it. So everything is going to join together. Oh my God. I will be adding my salt as well. We are going to be covering it for just 5 minutes. Welcome back, guys. Can you see this? This is so delicious. You can see the outcome of it. So you can see how everything got made. Then we'll be adding our yam. I'm going to be adding water. I'm going to taste it if everything is accurate. This is so yummy. We are going to cover it for less than 10 minutes to 15 minutes. We are done. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Can you see this? You can see how thick is it. That's why I love adding potato to my porridge. This is the end of our yam porridge. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are just watching my video, you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell so that anytime I put on new video, you will be the first to notify. Thank you for staying tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you on my next video.